Hi, thank you for signing up for Data Science and Machine Learning live training. My name is Manav. I'm the Chief Data Science Mentor at International School of AI and Data Science. And first of all, congratulations for taking one step ahead in the direction where the entire technology world is moving towards. Data science and machine learning are being called the most influential technologies over the next 1 decade. And I congratulate you for taking a head start and a jump start in this direction by signing up for this training. Now the good news about this training is it's for 2 hours, it's on the weekend, it's online and it's completely free. If you've been thinking about entering data science and machine learning as an area for the last possibly couple of months, possibly for the last couple of years, this is the training that you should attend, because in this training I will walk you through the very basics of what data science is, and more importantly what is the future of data science. And we will actually do a live case study in which I will make you a data scientist and you will be working on a real world data science problem end to end. So make sure that you attend this live training. Now there's one thing that you need to do before you actually show up for this live training. That is, you need to go through Data Science Starter Toolkit. This toolkit will be available in a couple of hours from now. Once you have signed up, you would have received an email possibly by now, by the time you're watching this video. Go through that toolkit. It has a couple of free ebooks, videos and other resources. Go through them one at a time before you attend the live training this weekend. So I'm looking forward to seeing you there. I promise that it's going to be one of the most influential learning experiences and amazing learning experiences that you have had so far this year. See you in the live training.